this corn oil. And you make like this. After oil hot, you can put popcorn. But some people like popcorn with flavor. What flavor you like? Today we make popcorn with honey. Flavor honey. And make like this and close. And now popcorn already finished. Popcorn already finished. What's the next step? I put white honey or black honey. Which flavor you like? Which flavor you like? This white honey, this black honey. Which flavor you like? I like black honey. If you want white honey, you can want white honey. And now make like that. This black honey. Black honey. I like black honey. Some people like white honey. No problem. You can make this one, you can put this one. No problem. Which flavor you like? And now finish. If this way good, please make subscribe, make share, make like, make comment. Thank you.